So children, to make paper wallet, you have to cut pockets first. So for that I am going to cut my paper in 24 by 12 centimeter. You can measure your pocket by yourself. This is your choice, how many pockets you are going to make and how measurement you are going to take. Okay, so now see how I will fold my paper to make pockets like this. Now put your Fevicol here and just stick it. So children, you can see I have sticked like this. Okay, so I have make my 4 pockets. This is your choice that how many pockets you will make. Okay, now you have to cut your next paper like this. Okay, of this size, you can see. Okay, your length should be 36 centimeter and your width should be, you have to measure it first, it is 8.5. so I will cut my paper 8.5. okay, and this is 36 centimeter. So first you will keep your pocket here and just mark it by your pencil like this and make a line. After that, from this side you have to margin 2 centimeter. Okay, this is 2 centimeter and just mark a line. This is 2 centimeter and this measurement is of your pocket size. After that, from this line you will measure here. Okay, this length should be equal to this and this part. Okay, clear? And then mark it here. And yes, this paper we need, so please keep it safe. Now stick your pockets. Put your Fevicol in the center and this joint part you have to stick in the other pocket. Okay, again you will put your Fevicol in the center like this and put your pocket like this. Again I will put my Fevicol in the center and now you can see my 4 pockets are ready. Now what is my next step? Let's see. Now I will put my Fevicol this side and this side equally, this side and this side, and I will stick it in this portion first. Okay, press it and look it from the other side. Okay, now I will put my Fevicol here and I will stick in this line like this. Don't stick here, don't stick here your Fevicol, just stick here and just stick in this point. Let's see. Now you can see I have put my Fevicol here and I'm going to stick in this line. Okay, easily. Now you can see your wallet is ready, but I have to decorate it and I have to cut this also. Now mark from this side to 1 centimeter here, from this side 1 centimeter here, and now see the center point of this. So this is 9, So this is 4.5. Okay, now just 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. So this is 4. Okay, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter is 4. Now I will cut like this. Okay, so this is your choice how can you cut. Now you can see this, so just fold it like this, and now I will put one stripe here. Now I'm going to this stripe. I have my silver paper, so I'm using this. First you have to measure it. Okay, inside, now from the other side. Okay, tightly. And you can see. Now I will put some Fevicol here also. So I have put Fevicol from this side and this side also. So now it will be locked. Okay, now I would like to decorate little bit more, so I'm going to decorate it. You also decorate your wallet, okay, by your choice. So children, I have decorated like this, so you can decorate your wallet as your like, as your choice. Okay, so make your wallet, paper wallet, and show it to me.